A new study links both regular and diet beverages to an increased risk of serious liver disease, and researchers say even modest consumption may be cause for concern. The study included more than 123,000 adults in the UK who filled out dietary questionnaires and were followed for a median of 10 years. Nearly 950 developed a condition called metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, or MASLD. MASLD occurs when fat builds up in the liver, which can lead to inflammation, pain, fatigue, and liver failure. Higher intake of sugary beverages was associated with a 50% increased risk of the disease, according to the results. The odds were even greater with artificially sweetened drinks at 60%. Low and no sugar options were also tied to an increased risk of death from liver-related causes. The lead author says people often think diet sodas are the healthier choice, but our study shows they may also increase liver disease risk even at modest intake levels like a single can per day. The researchers say sugar-sweetened drinks may promote fat buildup by spiking blood sugar, causing weight gain and raising uric acid levels. Diet sodas may disrupt the gut microbiome, fuel cravings, and even trigger insulin resistance. The encouraging news? Swapping soda for water lowered the risk of liver disease by up to 15%. The authors say the best choice for your liver and overall health is still water.